Hi guys, my name is João, I'm from Next Helmets and I'm here to show to you how to change the visor of X.Lifecountry. We start by removing the peak covers on both sides. In this video we use the flathead screwdriver with a piece of cloth so we do not damage the plastics. Unscrew the peak and make sure the visor mechanism will be in place after removing it. After the visor mechanism is on the correct position, make sure you screw it again. Then proceed to unscrew the other side of the peak and remove the peak. Once the visor mechanism is in place, just screw it, open the visor and while clicking the visor mechanism, pull the visor. Do it on both sides. To place the visor, put it on the open position and align the visor pins with the mechanism cavities. Click it in on both sides and close the visor. After that, unscrew the visor mechanism and properly place the peak. Make sure it is well aligned and screw it again. Make sure you do the same process on the other side and then you can finish by placing the peak covers. This is how you change the visor of X.Lifecountry. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice ride.